to my kitchen. So in today's video, I have two super easy and delicious casserole recipes to share. So here recently, I've noticed a few comments requesting picky eater friendly recipes and meals. I remember one comment saying, my husband doesn't like any veggies. Can you please share some recipes? Basically with no veggies. So you're in luck today. I'm sharing two recipes that I think definitely fall into that picky eater friendly category. And also these are real easy to kind of sub out for the things that your family may not enjoy. And then also if you do want to bring some veggies in, these recipes are perfect for that as well. So without further ado, let's get into these two picky eater friendly casseroles. You can use a separate bowl for this to mix everything together. I find it just as easy to go ahead and get your 9x13 and mix it in here. It's gonna bake in here anyway, no need to mess up extra dishes. So first we're gonna add about 2 cups of cooked and chopped chicken. Of course, rotisserie chicken works well, or any chicken that you have left over from grilling or anything like that. And next to the 9x13, we're gonna also add about 2 cups of rice. We're also gonna add 1 onion chopped. You can also add celery and or leave the onion out. Since this is a picky eater friendly recipe, you can leave that out altogether or just add onion powder, but it is good with celery as well. I just don't have any on hand. Next to our pan, we're gonna add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. And if you've been with me for a while, you know I really try not to use cream of soups too often. But in this recipe, they're just really good and really easy. So every once in a while, I will use them in certain recipes. All right, we got the cream of chicken, cream of mushroom. You can also just use 2 cream of chicken if you don't like mushroom, or vice versa. Cream of anything really, even cream of cheddar is good in this recipe. Next, we're gonna add just a sprinkle of black pepper. And then I just like to add a sprinkle of garlic powder. All right, and then we're just gonna mix everything together until nice and combined. All right, once we got everything mixed up, I'm just gonna kind of spread it around in my dish. And then since we mixed everything in here, I like to just wipe down the sides so everything up on the sides doesn't burn. Next, to a microwavable bowl, we're just gonna add about 3 tablespoons of butter, melt this in the microwave. To our butter, we're gonna add about 3 cups of cornflakes. And then we're just gonna crunch the cornflakes up into the butter. And then next, we're just gonna take that cornflake and butter topping and top the whole casserole. You're just gonna spread all the topping out evenly. And this is gonna go in the oven at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes till everything is nice and hot and golden on top. So I had a whole other recipe in mind for tonight's dinner, but unfortunately our house finally got the mess that everyone has. So I can't run to the store and get the few ingredients that I need, but I just kind of searched my pantry and my fridge, saw everything that I had, and then Googled, Pinterest, all that good stuff. And I think I found one that's actually gonna be delicious. It sounds like it's gonna hit the spot. So again, this is picky eater friendly. Why can I not say that? Picky eater friendly. You can feel free to leave out the parts that your family doesn't like, add in some more stuff if you want to, but let's just get into this cracked out chicken casserole. All right, so let's start mixing everything up. I brought my chicken over. We're just gonna add it to this large bowl. And by the way, I had a ton of questions in my last video about where I get these mixing bowls with the little handle. And I got the whole set at TJ Maxx. Really inexpensive, and you can find them all different colors there all the time. I see them a lot. It's about 2 cups of chopped chicken. The recipe calls for 3, but I think it'll be all right. Next, we're gonna add in 1 16-ounce container of sour cream. Next, we're gonna add 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And I know, in both recipes in this video, we're gonna add 1 packet of ranch mix. And y'all, I don't know if I said the name of this is cracked chicken casserole. And I know that's like a thing when you have the ranch mix, bacon, creamy sort of situation. But y'all, it drives me crazy. I hate the word, I hate calling a food that. We add 1 cup of chopped cooked bacon and then about 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. All right, we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. The recipe says to add in the tater tots as well at this point, but as you can see, my bowl is pretty full. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up, and then we'll add the tater tots in when I get it into the 9 by 13. And I considered just putting the tater tots on top because I know that we really like our tater tots crispy, but I'm just gonna follow the recipe this first time and see how it turns out, and I'll let y'all know. I'm thinking it's gonna turn out like a mix between hash brown casserole with chicken in it. Basically like hash brown casserole turned into a meal, and I'm totally cool with that too. All right, so I have my bag of tater tots here, and y'all, this brand of tater tots is superior. Let me just tell you, it is so good. They're so crispy, usually, especially in the air fryer, but that's what we're using tonight. All right, hopefully this is all gonna fit in here. At least I won't have to cook maybe tomorrow, we'll see. All right, so I'm just gonna pour the mixture kind of on top, and then I'll kind of stir it up in here. This will definitely be easier with a big bowl. Use a big bowl, y'all. All right, I think I got it all in there. So this is going into the oven at 350 for about 40 to 45 minutes until everything is nice and bubbly and golden on top. All right, y'all, there we go. I just made some green beans on the side. Looks so good. Cannot wait to try it. Below, if you have to cook for any picky eater, let me know if you cook for any picky eater. I'm about to burn up. Where's my water? I can't say it when I look in the camera. Picky eaters. Picky eaters. Let me know if you have any picky eaters. Picky eaters. Why is that so hard to say? Can you say picky eaters? I can't say that.
Picky eater.
Say if you have any picky eaters, comment down below.
If you have any picky eaters, comment down below.
What she said. And let me know if they would like these recipes. Hope y'all all doing great. And I'll see y'all real soon in the next video. Bye, y'all.